Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video we'll see where is the deleted screenshots on your Android mobile. Say for example I'm opening the Chrome and just taking the screenshot now. Okay, so this is the screenshot what I have taken just now, and I'll be trying to access this one so that I'll will deleting and check whether it is available. There are two options whether this may be available in the bin folder of this Google Files app, which is the default file manager, and the second chance is this can be available in the trash folder or the bin folder of Google Photos also. First of all, let me open this Files app, and this is the recent one, right? Just now I have taken this, right? So what I'll do is I'll click on these three dots here at the right top corner, and I'll be clicking on move to trash. Say for example accidentally I got deleted, I deleted the screenshot. Now at the three bars here on the files app only, at the three bars here you will see a trash icon here. Click on this trash. See here it is available still. This is the one I have just deleted. At the bottom there is an option called restore. Here click on the restore and again confirm that the file has been restored. So now you will again have the access for the same screenshot. This is one way. If you delete the screenshot, there is another way you can actually check here. Open the Google Photos app on your mobile, Google Photos, right? And here not now you need to click on this collections, and then click on this bin at the top, and here also see this is the screenshot which is available. If you means the deleted will be available here. Okay, you can click on this restore here. So in this way you can find, but remember this is only up to 30 days. If the deleted item is more than 30 days, it will be deleted from that trash folder also. You need to remember that. If you feel this tutorial is helpful, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.